Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage flip-top advertising petrol lighter with a slogan or equation. It says proper usage of time, space, capital equals greater net profits. This lighter is marked Made in USA on the bottom. It is a Park Industries product. I did some research trying to find this phrase or slogan or equation and didn't find anything on Google that led me to believe this was some broad or wide-ranging campaign that was being advertised. But it is a pretty cool old lighter, I believe made in Springfield, Illinois, at least the insert is. This lighter does show scuffs, scratches, dings, wear, finish loss. I believe the process is anodizing on this aluminum case. But the insert is not aluminum. Good heavy gauge insert. This is two-tone, blue and gold. And like most park lighters, very dependable. Feels like it would be a good everyday lighter for somebody to use. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com across all the social media platforms. That will be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. You can see that wear, scuffs, and finish damage that I was speaking of. The lighter or the insert is marked Precision Made by Park Sherman, Springfield, Illinois, USA. I'm not sure if this is plated brass or steel, but this would have been made 1960 or before if it was in Springfield. I was able just to basically wipe the insert off and pull the wick up and snip it off. There are heavy brass cases that were made in both Springfield and Murfreesboro. maybe the aluminum inserts were more prevalent in Murfreesboro, but just as many aluminum cases perhaps in Springfield. So a very light gauge case with the heavy insert, but I have no reason to believe that both of these weren't made in Springfield. But it is possible that the insert was made in Springfield and the case was made in Murfreesboro. I would doubt it, but you know, there would have been some time period there where there would have been some changeover. So, but this lighter, as I was saying, I don't really know the origin of the slogan or equation, and it's not marked as to a manufacturer on the case at all. So my guess would be that this was a lighter that came out of Springfield, Illinois. Perhaps it was some kind of a sample, or maybe this was a regional or local promotion of some kind. I can certainly relate to this equation. Make sure that you get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase going to the charity. We also have 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of those listings go to HDSA. I provide free shipping. The high bidder pays the money, which all goes to the charity, and the high bidder gets the lighter. Everybody is happy. But it says proper usage of time. I have a pretty good account, or pretty good control over my time right now. Space, I've got all the space I could want. And capital, money, I don't have all the money I could want, but I got enough to buy and do what I want to do to move my business and that eBay store and the website and the YouTube channel forward to hopefully greater net profits for all those things. I have all 3, but out of them all, I certainly have the space. I have more space in my house dedicated to lighters or working on them than I do sleeping or lounging or eating or anything else that happens around here. While you're over there at eBay, make sure that you follow or like Dependable Flame. I'm not sure which it is over there that you do, but whatever it is, make sure you do that so that you're notified each time we list a new lighter for sale. Also, here on YouTube, make sure that you hit the bell so you are notified each time we publish a new video. And that will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central, holidays included. We don't typically post videos on the weekend, but we'll on occasion if I need to get a listing up and a video to link to it, or an article, something like that. You never know. But you can count on those videos every weekday morning, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central. Just as dependable as using a vintage park lighter to light up every day. Until next time.